A timing belt is crucial for your engine's performance. It connects the crankshaft to the camshaft pulleys, ensuring they work in perfect harmony. As the crankshaft spins, the timing belt synchronizes the opening and closing of engine valves, allowing air and fuel in while pushing exhaust gases out. If the timing belt is worn or damaged, it can throw off this delicate timing, leading to serious engine damage. Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra. If it's out of sync, the whole performance falls apart. Keeping your timing belt in good shape is essential for a smooth-running engine.